Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bev. Welcome back to another backtesting until I'm profitable. So you guys already know the deal. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and whip out the chat GPT. Choose a random year and month. Okay, bro, we're not doing no 1997, bro. Okay, from 2019 to 2025. 2025. Whoops. Oh my God, bro. From 2019 to 2025. Stay logged out. Alright, March 2023. We'll go ahead and do March 2023. Fucking user error. Alright, March 2023. Alright, let's go ahead and try this. NQ, ES, YM. It's in March 2023, right? March 1st. Let's see, reset the time. Okay, add a month. Alright, let's get right into it. Open up Forex Factory. Oh, open up Forex Factory. Oh my God, what the fuck am I doing? Jesus. Alright, let's see. We have 10 a.m. red folder news. No news, and 10 a.m. again on Friday. So let's see what we've been doing. Alright, so seems that we swept out this high. Okay, let's see. So we swept out that high from this fair value gap. Swept out this buy side. So we swept out buy side there. Out of the weekly. Do we have a 4-hour change in delivery? Yes, we do have a 4-hour change in delivery lower. Okay. Very obvious downtrend here. Okay, so very obvious downtrend on the weekly. Let's see. Yeah, looking like we're starting to make higher highs though. All right, we could definitely draw into this unfilled weekly gap. We've already delivered from this daily gap here. See, so Monday didn't really do shit. So yeah, Monday. So we didn't do shit Monday. Wait, didn't we create it? No. So we swept out Monday's low just now. Tuesday basically traded inside of that candle's range. It's looking like we could possibly trade back into this previous day high. See, so we're gonna trade back into that previous day high. Maybe get some sort of reaction out of like some sort of key level there. Um. Oh wait, that's why. Okay, gotta go to New York. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and reassess. All right, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we just swept this out. Okay, delivering lower from the daily. Gonna go ahead and skip to 10 a.m. actually. Alright, so we're at 10 a.m. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. Do have relative equal highs above on ES. We did violate this 4-hour gap. Okay. Okay, what are we respecting? We are also respecting this 4-hour here. Respecting the 4-hour. So we are respecting that 4-hour. Okay, is there a 15-minute change in state? Okay, yeah, so it looks like it has displaced lower. Okay, let's see. Any SMTs? Nope. Off the midnight opening there. Tapped into there. 10 a.m. opens higher. Tapped into this 15 as well. But let's see. Do we get a setup or anything? So honestly, that was kind of our setup, but didn't want to take it. Wanted to give it a little bit more time. See if we can take a continuation or anything lower. 0.5. Okay, so we tap into that 5-minute. What else do we tap into? We can also make a 15. Okay, let's see. So we have an SMT, I believe. No, we just made equal highs. Okay, I believe we just made a 15. Alright, so we just tapped the 15 that broke structure past the Asia low. Let's see if we can get a setup here for shorts. Okay. It's not looking like that 15 is going to hold. Time is at 10:51, so macro time. Alright, don't like this change in the state of delivery. It was just very choppy. Fucking, yeah, it's not looking good for that. Change in state of delivery was, let's see, took it out here. Took 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it took like fucking 15 minutes to fucking take that shit. But nonetheless, it would have hit. But me personally, I didn't like that setup. We're gonna go on to the next day, Thursday, March 2nd. Again, no, this one has no news unfortunately. So we finally draw down into what? So we draw back down into that daily level. Alright, so we're still ranging lower. Draw down to that daily level. Oh, so we actually do have an SMT with this. So we actually have an SMT here, and it would be inside of a daily. It's like Asia low is taken out, but the market structure is just honestly not lining up with it here. Okay, let's go ahead and fast forward to 10. Okay, 10 o'clock. Alright, there we go. We're at 10. Let's see what we're doing. Any SMTs or anything? Okay, check it real quick. Alright, so we come to the daily. We have unfilled imbalance above us. We're below the opening prices. We have an SMT. Okay, I want to see like a 15. Alright, so we made a 15. We broke structure. See price come either into here or here for some possible longing opportunities. We just swept out. We just swept out buy side. Let's go ahead and see what we can get. Alright, so there you go. Tap into there. Sweep out low. New York open rejection. Body perfect body closure gets respected. I don't know what the fuck it's doing there. Under the midnight opening price as well. So this would be the CISD. Okay, there we have our entry, and let's see if this hits. What can we target? Asia high. So let's see if this would hit. Alright, we're gonna go break even there, as I no longer want to see price come into this area. Want to see it just deliver higher. And unfortunately, first trade we take result in a break even, but would it have hit? Looks like price just ended up fucking chopping sideways for up. So the idea was right. Unfortunately, price just ended up fucking chopping sideways, and TP did not get hit till about 2 o'clock. So that's unfortunate. We're going to go on to the next day. It's Friday, right? So Friday. Okay. Let's go ahead and see here. Alright, so that SMT actually did end up holding out of the daily, the weekly. So daily, weekly. Let's see. Do we have an hourly changing state? Yes, we do. We have an hourly changing state, but we are heavily premium as well. We don't have any time-based sell side liquidity taken. So I would definitely would not be opposed to taking some shorts here. Again, let me go ahead and just skip to 10 a.m. Let me see. Okay, actually, let me edit my settings real quick. So New York, starting New York AM session. We're gonna go ahead and change this to like 10, so we don't have to keep doing that every single time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see what we do here. So, okay, we tap lower. 10, 15. Okay, we re-tap back into that 15 again. But I'm not liking longs here, just for the simple fact that we have these lows still intact. Maybe on YM they got taken. Okay, yeah, so that makes sense. Okay, so I mean, I guess we could still go ahead and look. We could look for some longs here, just for the simple fact that we have SMT with YM and it's delivering higher. We have this nice little breaker block. Honestly, it probably wouldn't be the best. Okay, we'll take the breaker if it comes back into it. If not, it's cool. Want to take that off of the limit. Let's see. Gotta be cautious of the time. What time is it? Okay, there's the end of the session. Had I not skipped it, probably could have taken that, but I didn't, so it is what it is. We're gonna go on to Monday, March 6th, brand new week. So Monday, March 6th, no news. 10 a.m. news, 10 a.m. news. So honestly, Monday's probably gonna be pretty bad price action to set up for Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's see here. What have we done? Ooh, okay. So we're displacing heavily to the upside. We're violating bearish, starting to respect bullish. We can definitely come into here, and we can definitely come into here. Okay, let's see. We are in a heavy premium as well with imbalances below us unfilled. So I mean, even though it's bullish structure, again, we haven't rebalanced anything. We definitely come to here and look for some sort of short. Um, okay, we took out the highs as well, above the opening prices too. Okay, see how 10 a.m. opens. Definitely would not be opposed to some shorts. All right, let's see what we do. Okay, so there we go. It opens higher. Okay, so there we go. What do we tap into? Let's tap into one of our liquidity levels. We do have those 15s. Sorry about that. Looks like we're generating LRL above the opening prices as well. Okay, we get a resweep there. Get another resweep. Get another resweep again. Could just be one of those days too where it just fucking completely. Do we have an SMT? Okay, no, we don't even have an SMT with ES. So yeah, definitely gonna keep the shorts in mind. Okay, so it's just gonna be one of those days where it just completely fucking drakes up. Let's see here. Okay, so it's a no trade day. Let's see here, 9:45, tapped into his 15, started distributing higher, started making fair value gaps. I want to see some shorts just for the simple fact that we had the Asia low intact, but honestly just noticed that we took out London here, so longs could have been probable. I just didn't pay attention to that, so that's user error there. Let's go ahead and see what the next day is going to do. So we have 10 a.m. jolts. Okay, what have we done? So we tapped into this upper daily. Do I have a 1 hour change in state of delivery out of that? We do now. I was like, we do now. We could definitely see some sort of lower movement. Do we have an SMT or anything that can support this reversal? Let's see, YM. Okay, looks like we do have an SMT with YM. So I want to go ahead and see. Okay, we're expecting these 15 minutes as well. We just swept out that high. Okay. Okay, yeah, definitely want to see some sort of displacement lower here for shorts. Or it could just fucking drag a million fucking points to the fucking draw. Okay, wow. Okay, let's see what we're doing. We're also in a huge premium, it seems. Let's check this out. So we're also in a huge premium. We could come down to equilibrium and then this imbalance, but we would have to look for some sort of continuation move lower. So honestly, I don't like that. Would rather look for like, okay, we're not gonna get any entry whatsoever either. Actually, is there a 5 we tapped into? Nope. Have that smaller SMT there. Okay, what do we tap into? So we tap into the 5. Let's see here. What time is it? 10:27. Here, resweep that. I believe we just made a 15. Yeah, so we just tapped the 15, made a 15. Is that our model? No, because it's not a high. Okay, it's not a high. Okay. Still don't have the model here. Okay. I guess we finally have the model here. It's little bit of higher risk just for the simple. You know what? I'm gonna end up entering on a limit here. Enter limit and seek to target out equilibrium of the range. Okay, see if this works. So we tap the 15. So step to 15. Nice rejection wick out of that. Inverted this 5-minute. I mean, we are under the opening prices, which is the only thing that I don't like here. But since we do have that SMT, looks like it's a classic sell day. I'm going to go ahead and just set up a limit here. And let's see if this hits. So get entered there. Okay, break even there. And see if this continues to deliver. Nope. We're going to go ahead and get broken even. Let's see what happens. Okay, so broke even. Idea was just completely wrong. Let's see. Did we tap anything particular? So we tapped the 4-hour. We don't have a 15-minute change in state of delivery. Whatever. It's the next day. That didn't work. Alright, so we finally come into equilibrium of the range. We come to this daily gap. We sweep out previous day's low. Oh my god, this is not looking good, bro. What the fuck is this price action, bro? Yeah, so this is just looking like it's a fucking straight up chop fest, even though we have fucking SMT. Don't have any real displacement anywhere. We just have an SMT. Shit just fucking trading. Honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna trade this day. Let's see. Okay, unless we get like some sort of displacement higher, so we get a break above that. Okay. Can we get a continuation higher? So we retap into the 5. So we retap into the 5, we sweep that. We're respecting New York opening price. Markets are heavily uncorrelated as well. Yes. Yes, respect violated. It's 15. Yeah, I'm just gonna completely avoid this day. This day's not looking good. Just looking like it's a straight up chop fest. Go to next day. Thursday, March 9th. No news. Okay, very obvious buy profile here. I've already delivered off the 930 gap. Let's see if we can get some sort of continuation off like a 5-minute or something. So let's see. I don't know why it doesn't fucking sync like where I'm at. So ES already tapped its 5-minute. Can NQ tap its 5-minute? Alright, so we actually tap into a 15. We are very premium, which is something I don't like. So we are very premium. Tap the 15 here. Have this as our draw. Just took out the devil's mark. Yeah, it looks like it's a classic buy profile here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick with the narrative of bullishness. So let's see. Okay, so we have a breaker here. Wait, is it a breaker? Let me double check that. Let me see what we've done actually. Alright, so we tapped the 15. Okay. Change in the state of delivery. Okay, let's see if this plays out. Go for the fixed 2-to-1 RR. Buy market. And it's gonna fucking start consolidating. Great. See, was the idea right? Wait, what time was that? Let's see. Yeah, so it basically just went into a fucking accumulation right after that, unfortunately. We're above the opening prices as well. See, where are we going? Yeah, so turns out it's actually a fucking seek and destroy type of day as we ended up coming up, sweeping out the rest of the time-based liquidity. Unfortunately, we are off to an L. Friday, March 10th. 8:30 a.m. news. Okay, this is looking like it's a classic. Okay, so it's definitely switched to bearish. It's looking like it could be a classic sell day here. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, let's check this out. Let's check this out. Delivering off this 4-hour. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be bearish here. 15-minute, 5-minute. Okay, we're in a 5-minute. thing to the deeper 5-minute. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Okay, let's see what we're doing. Okay, I like this. So you can go ahead and take the move lower now. Sell market. We do have an SMT as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and get fucking dicked right there. Unfortunately, but was our idea correct? No, it was not. So what the fuck are we doing wrong? So I mean, we took out the highs into a 4-hour, a 15-minute gap. We then tapped. Hold on, where was it? Yeah, we then came into this 15-minute that broke structure past these lows. Yes, I mean, that was a setup, that was a model. Not too sure why it didn't work. I mean, had I taken the original one right here at 1013, wouldn't have even hit, would have been a break even. Yeah, I'm honestly not too sure what's going on here. But Monday, March 13th, let's go ahead and see. No news, no news. Okay, so again, we take out the London high. It's looking like it's a classic sell profile. One of the draws was taken out. We could possibly come into here before we see any move lower. We are under the opening prices. Can we tap a 15 or anything that we could take? Yeah, so it turns out we actually did. So we've tapped into a 15. Okay, see what's up at 10 a.m. Okay, we violated this one as well. We're under the opening price, so I'm going to focus on some longs here. Okay, we have our setup. Not really the best setup, but, I mean, let's see if we can just come to the 15 below. Okay, so we have the 15 below. We're wicking shit. We broke, okay, so this broke structure. So that broke structure. I have an SMT there. Okay, can we tap the 15? So we honestly no longer even need to tap the 15-minute. Just gonna start accumulating, I guess. Okay. Alright, this is what I'm gonna go ahead and take. See if this works. And we get fucking raped straight to fucking stop loss, dude. Off of what, that 15? The idea is correct. So the idea was correct, but unfortunately we get fucking stopped out. I guess NQ did decide to want to come into that 15 near the fucking end of the macro. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next day, Tuesday, March 14th, 8:30 CPI. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Where are we at, and what are we doing? So we actually ended up putting SMT with that low. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so it's very, very clearly this is looking like it's bullish. Look at the weekly. Okay, so weekly's rejecting off the weekly, rejecting off the daily. Alright, we've had a change in delivery. Swept out the lows, okay. But we just don't have any fucking PD arrays that we are making, dude. Don't like how slow and lethargic this is moving up. Like, not getting any real expansion anywhere. Let's see. Just 5 minutes. 10 a.m. opens down. It says 5-minute. Yeah, we're just not going to get an entry anywhere here. So we're going to go on to the next day. On to the next day. Okay, let's go ahead and see. So we have an SMT. All right, so we have a fat ass SMT. We have we have a daily CISD too. Time to this 4 hour low gets swept. We time to the 4 hour again. We do have a 15-minute change in delivery. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stay bullish just for the simple fact that we do have relative equal session highs above us. And we are under the midnight opening prices here, so I mean, let's see if we can get a trade to the upside. Go ahead and tag that. Okay, there we go. Have the setup here, and let's see if this will work. Okay, let's check it out. Market, what time is it? The only thing I don't like is how early we are into the session. Do I have any SMTs or anything? Yeah, we actually do have an SMT with this. I'm going to go ahead and take it just for the fact that we do have an SMT. We're under the opening prices and due to the daily profile as well. See if this hits. We're just going to get tagged out of there, bro. Let's see. Yep, so again, during the macro, starts to deliver. Okay, had we waited for the macro or near the macro. Okay, yeah, could have definitely hit. Okay, one thing I'm noticing is a lot of these setups very close to like anywhere like I think I'm gonna start taking trades after 10:30 because a lot of these setups are not working prior to 10:30. It just kind of seems like it fucking chops around and then decides to move to our target. So what is this? Thursday, March 16th. Let's see. Unemployment claims 8:30. Okay, 8:30. Okay, delivering off the 4 hour again. We're about to have that 15-minute change in delivery. So we just got that 15-minute change in delivery. Relative equal session highs again. Okay, we have a breaker. Let's see if we can get a setup higher. What do we come into? Alright, so we come into the 5. We tap the breaker down here. We tap this breaker. Get a resweep. 10-10. Okay, I like this. Okay, does this work? Let's see. We also have an SMT with this low as well. Alright, honestly, I'm confident I'm gonna leave it open. And we just get absolutely fucking railed again. Okay, we have a re-entry setup right here. Got the resweep. Let's retry. Is there a 15 or anything? No. Breaker still gets respected and held. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna try this off the midnight opening. Is it gonna place? I'm pretty sure I just fucking did it twice. Alright, break even there. And it fucking delivers. Okay. I think I'm gonna take trades after like 10:20 because a lot of these setups they're dead ass just like if it's like within like the first fucking 10 minutes of like 10 a.m. it's not gonna fucking work from what I've been fucking noticing. So we're down 5 trades in a fucking row, but the idea plays out every single fucking time. That's just starting to fucking piss me off. So let's see again, where are we at? So we've displaced higher, very obvious, you know, we want to move to the upside. We have these relative equal highs again. Okay, we have an SMT with this. ES has tapped it. We no longer need to come into there. Profile is recommending bullish. There, we have a change in state of delivery. Let's go ahead and skip a couple minutes here. Let's see, what do we come into? Is there a 5 minute? Anything we come into? Is this off the midnight opening price? Nope. It's looking like this is not okay. So it's very clearly we're not gonna follow bullish order flow. We're just not gonna do anything here, I guess. So we just didn't get a setup at all whatsoever. Go on to the next day. Okay. 4 hour. Okay, let's see what we've done on the 4 hour. So still, obviously, trending higher. We swept this. Let's see if we can get a setup higher to the upside. We just, I'm pretty sure we're about to take out London, Asia low. I mean, London low. And this motherfucker begins to start accumulating. So let's see here. Asia. Okay, 1 hour, okay. Not really seeing anything here. 10 a.m. just fucking chopped. Literally 10 a.m. just fucking chopped all morning. Didn't fucking do shit. Let's see, okay, see if 11 a.m. delivers. Okay, again, it's just very choppy price action. Okay, so clearly we're delivering higher off the daily. We have that hourly change in delivery out of it. Go ahead and delete this. Okay, let's see here. We retapped the 15. We swept out these New York Open. Can we get some displacement anywhere? Because it's seeming like we're just not gonna get any displacement anywhere. We have all this LRL right here. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take some shorts. Even though, wait, never mind. We will not be taking shorts. Shorts make no sense right here. Is there a 15 we can come into? Like, okay, if we can sweep this and come lower. Okay, if we can come lower and oh my god, I don't know why the fuck it does that every single time. Okay, if we could sweep that and move up higher, great. If not, it is what it is. Okay, we come lower. Okay, we have an SMT with ES. We have an SMT with ES. Okay, we tap it. I mean, we do have a change in delivery. Inversion. I'm not liking that. Okay, there we go. This is a much better change in state, and it's near the macro. Does this one deliver? Buy market. Okay, let's see. And we're just gonna get fucked again, bro. Like, I don't fucking like, dude. Like, I don't understand what the fuck is actually going on, bro. Like, the fuck is this shit, man? Okay, let's see if we can take some shorts then, because clearly it looks like we want to go lower here. So I mean, let's go ahead and check this out. Display slower. Let's see if we can get a move down into London at least. Actually, fuck that. We'll go ahead and target out Asia. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a move down into London. Since for whatever reason, like, price just doesn't want to follow order flow. So there you go. We get tapped into there. And we're just going to get absolutely fucking fried. Like, I don't understand what the fuck this market is like. I really truthfully don't understand how these setups aren't fucking working. Like, we took the long, okay, fine. We displaced lower, we violated bullish, and then like now it's just like, okay, the market's just gonna do whatever the fuck it wants to do. So I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is probably some of the fucking toughest price action I've ever fucking traded. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Let's go ahead and see what else let's see. Okay, so the draw's higher, clearly, respecting the 4 hour. Hourly change in state. With this, we're gonna have an hourly change in state. So we have an hourly change in state. Hourly gap below us. Let's see if we can fucking catch some longs to the upside without getting absolutely fucked. So let's fucking see here. Let's see here. Can we catch a move higher? Okay. What do we tap into? We retapped back into this 5 minute under the opening price. We displaced higher. Okay, let's see. Will this one work? Will this one work? Let's take it. Break even there. Finally, we get a fucking winning trade, bro. Holy fucking shit. It fucking took us damn near the whole month to get one winning trade in fucking 2023. Alright, so let's see. So this 4 hour doesn't fucking hold. Okay, draw's still fucking higher. This 4 hour doesn't hold. Let's see, let's see. Unsponsored. We don't have... Okay, we have SMT with London. I want to see if this will be respected and held. And we just get no sort of entry. It's just going to continue draking up. Yeah, no trade day on here, unfortunately. Just took out all of our targets. Let's see what we're doing here. What day is this? Friday, March 24th. Let's see. 9:45 news. So it's already happened. Okay, we swept out that. Swept that out. Okay. Looks like it's a classic style profile. We're inside of an hourly. We're inside of a 15. Let's see. Can we get a continuation move lower here? Oh my god, what the fuck is this fucking dog shit fucking setup, bro? Okay. So we need some S&T with that. Okay, let's go ahead and take this. Above the opening price too. See if this short will work. Okay, buy limit. No. Sell market. Oh my god, brother. Why does fucking FX Replay do this shit, man? Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god, bro. Am I forced to fucking place another fucking fib? It's one thing I hate about FX Replay when it always does this shit. Alright, let's go. Okay. Got our chance to go break even there. There we go. Candace continue to dump. Holy fucking chop, bro. Why is 10 a.m. fucking chopping this entire month? I don't fucking get it. Like 10 a.m. just keeps fucking chopping this whole month. And we're just gonna get broke even right there. Let's go to the next day. Monday, March 27th. Let's see. No news. Okay, respecting 4 hour. Respecting the 4 hour. Do a 15-minute change in state out of that. Okay, yes, we do. We dug deep into this 15. I am interested in longs here. Yes, we have an SMT above there, but everything else is saying bullish. We're violating bearish here. Let's go ahead and see what I can take here. Can 10 a.m. open lower, though? I want 10 a.m. to open lower. Such a dog shit fucking... Oh my god, it's just gonna start chopping again, bro. Alright, so we have an SMT with that low. Not anymore. We resweep it into there. 10 a.m. is just fucking chop, bro. Yeah, this is just fucking chop. Yep, so again, another choppy ass fucking day. You know, we're violating bearish, bullish PD. I mean, we're violating fucking bearish PD arrays, respecting bullish, but yeah, this shit's just gonna go ahead and do whatever the fuck it is that it wants, anyways. So let's see. Nope, the whole day just kind of starts selling off again. Let's go ahead, Tuesday, March 28th. Let's go ahead and do this. 10 a.m. news. So let's go ahead and skip forward a minute. So 10 a.m. opens lower. It looks like it's a classic sell profile. We definitely could come down into here. Okay. Okay. Very obviously, this shit's fucking bearish. If at this point, if I'm just gonna get hoed out of the trade, then I mean, what the fuck can I do about it? So I mean, I'm gonna be looking to short from fucking here. Let's see if it fucking works. See if we can even get a setup. We come into there. Perfect. We resweep. And these markets are just heavily unfucking correlated again. Okay, there we go. We have a setup. Off the 15, swept out the 15-minute high, change in state of delivery. Let's see. Can we take a 2-to-1 here? Why does it keep doing stops? I don't want to do stops. Okay, there. The intermediate term low taken out. Break even. Okay, we get another dub. What the fuck was the risk on that? Okay, never mind. I'm just tripping. So, again, another one. Almost got stopped out, but didn't, thankfully. Wednesday, March 29th. 10 a.m. orange folder news. Let's go ahead and skip that. Get that over with. Holy shit, these conditions are fucking dog water. What are we doing? So change in state. So bullish change in state. Obviously, we violated bearish. Again, honestly, fuck, man. Just gonna stick to the fucking bullish narrative that I have here. Honestly, I'm gonna take that short into the unfilled 15. I'm gonna take the short into the unfilled 15, or one of the unfilled 15s. Alright, see if we can take this down here, because we are above the opening prices as well. We don't have London taken out. Okay. Honestly, it's against the trend, but it's very premium. We haven't filled anything in. So I mean, let's see if it fucking works. We also have an SMT as well. So SMT. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go break even there. We took out this low. Yeah, broken even there. Don't even tap a 15. Would have hit. Okay. We had to set up very last couple minutes of the fucking macro, but honestly, I didn't like the fact that we had London low still there. Shit would have worked, but unfortunately, we got broken even. Let's see what's up with this. Thursday, March 30th. See if we could bring this a bunch of LRL again. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I had the hiccups. Okay, I'm gonna be open to some shorts just for the simple fact that this is all low resistance liquidity. So let's see here, and above the opening prices too. 10 a.m. opens higher. Okay, there we go. We get a good setup right here. Let's see if this works. Honestly, can probably take this all the fuck the way. Oh shit. Fuck it. We'll go ahead and take that like that. Okay. Bunch of low resistance liquidity above the opening prices too. Okay, we're gonna go break even there. Intermediate term low gets taken out. And we're just gonna get broke even, and it's just gonna continue to move higher off of quite literally fucking nothing. Holy. Gotta set up here near the macro for longs, since clearly it does not want to go lower. Honestly, we have a crazy wait, do we have a crazy S&T? This is not a good long. This is not a good long. Yeah, it's not a good long. Go to the next day. Last day of the month, Friday, March 31st. Let's see here. Let's see here. Again, we're fucking draking up from nothing, it seems. Off this daily. Haven't rebalanced the 4 hour for shit. Asia logo is taken out. Alright, if we have some displacement, market structure break, fuck it. We'll go ahead and take some fucking longs. We have a closure above that high. Okay, let's see if we can get a tap into the fair value gap. Holy brother. Oh my lord. Just another no entry day. I mean, we come into here, but I mean, very, very, yeah. So yeah, March 2023 quite literally fucking swallowed us whole and spat us the fuck out. Go ahead and look at the analytics, bro. A 22.22 win percentage, bro. Fucking 6 break-even trades, 2 losses. I mean, 2 wins, 7 fucking losses. So it's quite literally break even, loss, 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 win, loss, break even. Yeah, this fucking price action was fucking tough. Like, I'm not even gonna fucking lie to you guys. Like, holy fucking shit. Like, low key, like, I'm pretty fucking livid at these fucking results. Definitely not what I wanted to fucking see, but I mean, overall, I mean, let's go ahead and look back into it. I just honestly, the price action was fucking terrible. Let's go ahead and see, like, for the most part, what this shit's doing. Yeah, like, dead ass, like, this price action was fucking atrocious. Let's go on the daily. Start from the, what was it, March? So March 1st doesn't do shit. This expands, expands. We come into here, we break structure, change mark fucking CISD. We come into this daily fair value gap, try to long during this day as well. For whatever reason, it doesn't work. We come down here, longs didn't work either. This day, longs don't work either. We end up coming back down into here. Let's see, from here, Monday, March 15th, long fucking worked. But I mean, it makes no sense because at the same time, it's like, okay, we've invalidated this structure. We put in a change in state of delivery. The next logical point price should like come into should be, this low. But I guess for like whatever reason, I mean, we had a daily SMT that I didn't notice. So I mean, that was that. And then Monday, March 15th, long works, long works, long works, long works. Again, Monday, longs work. And then you can see here just very fucking choppy fucking price action. Just, yep, a lot of times 10 a.m. they didn't deliver, just kind of fucked about the whole time. Yeah, so honestly, this was very, very difficult price action to fucking navigate. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. But again, still gonna go ahead and upload this. Gonna keep this fully fucking transparent. Again, the whole goal of me doing this is to fucking get better at trading. So I mean, yeah, I mean, that goes to show, you're gonna have good months, shit like that. As you guys saw, I went from having a fucking 70% win rate to now getting completely fucking shat on and fucking ending the month with a fucking, let's see, 22% win rate. Nothing I can fucking do about it. But again, just for full transparency and everything, you can still upload this. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, honestly, I was about to start crashing out. Not even gonna lie. So I mean, if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys were able to learn something. Just make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I guess like one big issue that I had was just like not identifying proper market conditions. As you guys can see, went off daily profile, internal to external range liquidity, and shit was A plus per se, and it still just didn't fucking work. There's nothing I can do about that. But again, until next time, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys have a nice day.